Hello everyone, welcome back to Making Handmade. You're welcome back. Today's tutorial is how I made this tassel. I use it to design the bubble gown. There is the upcoming tutorial. These are the tassel. You use white thread for that. You can see the bubble gown that is on the screen right now. Is the next tutorial. I use this tassel to make that. Design part of it anyway. If you're interested, please join me. And these are the thread for the silk thread. It comes in different colors. Why I choose this silk thread is very soft. I pleated the cord, I stitched the silk thread on it. Looking beautiful. I use white color one to design my bubble. Keeping those colors aside, for this project we are using the white color one. Now we have scissors for the material. Also have a cardboard paper 3 by 3 inches square, and this is the cotton thread. Using it to secure the top part. Then of course our silk thread. You have to roll it this way. You keep rolling that the volume you want. If it's not okay, you keep rolling it. Next thing we're gonna use the needle. Of course the cotton thread have to pass through underneath. When you're done with that, you have to cut it out. Double fold the thread. This is the first fold, the second fold, with you 4 strands of thread. I want it to be thick so you can be able to hold the tassel as you place it on the fabric and sew together. Pass it through the needle, and now you have to pass it through like so. In the process, you hold the needle this way and pull out the first thread. Use the pull it out so you can be able to bring the next thread to the other side like so. Then you tie the knot. Just to secure that part. After securing the part, you cut out the excess. Then you have to remove it now from the cardboard paper. As you can see, now you have to keep it now, and the part that you tied have to go in between though. You have to stick those parts inside. Now it's time for us to get the next thread, the second one, the cotton thread of the same color. This will serve as securing that. It will secure it properly. As you tie it round, you secure it by, you have to knot it so tight to avoid losing out. Yes, the next thing is just to cut the excess and trim the bottom part of it. Using our scissors and cut it like so. And when you trim it very well, our tassel is ready. You can see how beautiful this tassel. Only thing I needed to design my bubble gown, just 10 to 15 pieces of it. That will help you as well to minimize the cost. Instead of spending much, it will be less. Okay? Thank you so much for your time. And I'll see you in my next video, making of bubble dress with hoodies. I use this tassel to design that. Please don't miss that. Bye bye for now.